Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I have a little Freedom Couture wig unboxing for you guys. So, here's the little box, and I'm actually wearing the wig right now. So, I actually don't have the lace cut in case you guys were kind of like wondering what that is. The lace is not cut yet, but this is the wig that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys today. And if you guys have seen my last video, some of you might be like, Jana, wait, I thought you were salty about the first wig that you got from them. Why would you get another one? To be honest, I don't really know. I'm kind of asking myself the same question, but alas, here we are. So I got this one during her flash sale that she had in November. She had like a 4-week sale. And literally on the last week, it was kind of like an impulse buy. I was like, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. And then I did it. So here we are. I kind of just wanted to get like another one just to kind of see, like compare it to the first one that I got, just to kind of see that if there was any difference in like the quality or whatever. So, I mean, here we are. So this video is going to be pretty much strictly an unboxing. I do bring in the other wig to kind of show you like a little bit of a comparison from the first wig that I got from them. But I do want to do another video coming up where it's more of like a 1-year update on that wig, since it is like pretty much exactly a year since I made that other video. So I kind of want to do a little update and talk a little bit more about that one, a little bit more of like a chatty, like a chit-chatty video, so a little bit more on that wig and kind of comparing it to this one as well. So if you guys aren't subscribed already and you want to see that video, then hit that subscribe button and you can turn your post notifications on. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. All right, so let's get right into the unboxing. So here is the package here. So it ships via DHL Express, so express worldwide shipping. It did come pretty quickly. Shipping is $65, and I think that's US, so $65 US, pretty much worldwide, I'm pretty sure. And I'm here in Canada, and some of you guys were asking if I had to pay duties last time, and I did. I have the little receipt here, so I had to pay $29.54 for duties, so import duty and tax. So in case you were wondering. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the package, you guys. All right, here we go. Ooh la la. Okay, this box is looking cute. Okay, so this is the box from last time. It's just like a little magnetic closure like that. And then this one looks like this, which I feel like I like this one better, eh? Like this looks way classier with the rose gold, and I don't know, it looks cute. Oh, it was upside down. Okay, there we go. So Freedom Couture. All right, let's open her up. Da-da-da. That's what it looks like inside. All right, and the wig is in here. I'm just gonna put this aside for a second because I just want to show you guys the extra goodies that came in here. So I think for the flash sale, she was doing like these little extra kind of freebies. So let's take a look. All right, so I think these are the lashes. So they have like a little drawer and they come out. That's what they look like. All right, and next up we have this gold little, I think this is the spoolie. Oh wait, actually no, this is not, wait, is it? Yeah. Okay, so one end is a little spoolie, so you can, you know, tame your baby hairs, and then there's also an angled brush. And then we have a little black net wig cap. I'll take it out too so you guys can see. So it just looks like that. Ooh, this is like a big one. So it's just something like that. And then here we go. We have the adjustable elastic band strap, which my other one did not come with, just saying. But yeah, this is the little branded strap. It kind of unhooks like a little, like a bra closure. And then I think you can hook both of these ends into the wig cap, like the wig on the inside. So speaking of which, let's open up the wig and see what she looks like. All right, here she is. So this is what she looks like, and I think this is the one that's called Jessica. So it's like a dark blonde to a lighter blonde ombre. And guys, on first impressions, I am like actually really in love with this wig. Like I'm in love with the coloring, and the hair quality actually feels a lot better than the first wig I got from them. Like this is a lot softer. The other one I got felt kind of dry, like already like straight off the bat, but this one has like a really nice soft texture to it. So the quality feels really nice. And I'll show you the cap construction and what's going on the inside. So let's just turn her inside out. So it actually already comes with the adjustable strap, which is nice. So the other one is just like a little extra. So I'm actually going to take this one and sew it onto my first Freedom Couture wig. I'll show you guys that one in 2 seconds, but that's going to come in handy. So we have the extra adjustable strap, and then we have the 4 clips at the bottom. So, and this is a 360 lace wig, full lace, and I think this is like the little stretchy part at the top. All right, so that's what she looks like, and the hairline is looking pretty cute as well. The baby hairs are laid, so cute. So yeah, that's what she looks like. I'm gonna show you the first one I got just for a quick reference. All right, so this was the first one I got from them. This one was the Long Kylie Platinum Blonde Bob. I forget what the name was exactly, but I dyed it pink, but other than that, everything is still the same. So that's what this one looks like. And I'll just show you guys the inside really quick just for comparison. If you guys saw my my first video about this wig, you'll know I was pretty salty about how the way the combs were sewn on. I haven't reinforced it since, so that one is what that one looks like. And the strap is like completely coming off basically, and this is the strap that it came with. Like, what's up with that? I wanted the cute little branded one, and so now that I have an extra, I'm gonna find a way to like sew this on. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that really quickly. Okay, so now I'm gonna throw this one on to see what she looks like on. So give me 2 seconds and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Like, I'm kind of in love. So this is what it looks like. Keep in mind, this is what it looks like straight out of the box. I didn't even cut the lace, so the lace is still here. I'm in love with the color. So the root color matches my natural hair like to a T. I'm gonna come in a little closer so you guys can kind of see. Hold on. Okay, hey, so that is my natural hair right there. And you guys can see it is like literally the exact same color. Like, leave it up to me to get a wig that's basically exactly my natural hair color. It's literally something I would do. So yeah, I'm actually really liking how it looks. This is the hairline, if you guys want to see. With like the little baby hairs going on. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys out a second, hold on. The more I'm wearing it, the more I'm like kind of falling in love with it. I'm really digging the color. It actually looks like my hair. So I mean, I'm a lot happier with this one and the way it was made and everything compared to the other one. We'll talk more about that in another video, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about this overall. And the whole lace cutting thing and sizing it to my head, I'm gonna do in another video because I had a few people ask to do like a little tutorial on how I cut my lace. So I'm gonna do that in another video. So if you guys want to see that, then make sure you're subscribed. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.